Hey folks, Adam Anderson, CEO here. We've been talking about social engineering and how cyber criminals use that to get at you and your money. I thought I might cap off this series with a story about how I got taken. I bought a Nissan Altima that didn't exist on Craigslist for my niece who was living with us at the time. The way this worked is I went to Craigslist. The posting was very legitimate, and so the channel was Craigslist. I was supposed to trust Craigslist. The take was the story about how this person was in the military and they were going overseas and they had to sell the car quick, which is why it was so cheap. And they gave all this information and they said, hey, I've got to go, and the military is going to ship it to you for free. And there's a money back guarantee. The military will cover everything. You even get to test drive the thing for 5 days. And I didn't care. You know, in retrospect, that sounded shady, but I was doing so much at the time. I just wanted this problem to go away. I just wanted to throw money at the problem. So the channel was Craigslist. The hustle, not the take, the hustle was that story. And then the take was they had me use gift cards, Vanilla One gift cards that I picked up at a CVS, and put me in a fake eBay portal. He said, hey, look, I don't trust the normal Craigslist stuff. I'm really concerned about cybersecurity and cybercrime. I really need you to use this special, highly secured payment processing system that eBay offers just for automobiles. And I'm like, wow, that's fantastic. I'll go ahead and do that. I trust eBay. So this whole thing, the channel being Craigslist, the hustle being his story, the take being a fake eBay payment portal, he had impersonation going the whole way through. And I even checked on some stuff. I called the customer support hotline to the eBay thing, was put on hold for a while until I got to a nice person who was able to help me take the credit card information, take the debit card information. So this stuff is really hard to discover. If it's not something you're used to doing, just be aware that the majority of the time when you feel uncomfortable and your instincts are telling you there's something wrong, trust your instincts. It's something shady. About halfway through the process, I was like, this isn't right. But I was in and I was busy. I just wanted the dang car. Right on.